Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll compare EFTs with mutual funds. So, which one is the best choice for long-term investment and which one helps you grow your wealth and how it helps it. So, the both of them work very differently, and today we will break them down and tell you about the key differences in both of them. So, starting with ETF, which is exchange traded funds. These are like basket of stocks, but they trade just like regular stocks on exchange. So ETFs are basically low cost, tax efficient, and gives you control over when you buy and when you sell. If you want flexibility, lower fees, and passive investment, ETFs is a great choice. Moving on to the next one, we have mutual funds. And mutual funds are professionally managed portfolios that are great for set it and forget it investment. So it just basically they are perfect for retirement accounts because they allow automatic investments. But they often come with higher fees and less control since they only control at the end of the day. So comparing both of them and obviously giving my point of view on them, I would say if you want a lower cost, flexibility, and tax efficiency, go with ETFs. But if you prefer hands-off approach with professional management and mutual funds, and it might also be beneficial in retirement accounts. So definitely go for mutual funds. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching it.